In this video, we'll cover the security settings of Vision. Under the Vision Settings tab, you'll find the Dashboard Security Level menu, where the list of security levels can be found. Each of these levels can be linked to an individual profile, letting you control which people can see what data. For example, if I set Sam's security level as 4, they will only be able to view dashboards with security levels of 0 to 4, provided that include lower levels is enabled. Keep in mind that security features are only included in Pro and Ultimate editions. Now we'll move on to the admin settings of Vision. Vision contains two sets of data to establish a user, the user profile and their role. A role is assigned to a user and is used to determine what the user can do in Vision. For example, I'll create a role that is not administrative. Administrative roles have access to all areas of Vision and can edit other users' privileges. I'm going to edit this user so they can only read and navigate the definition data in Vision. These options can be tailored to how you need them. First, select the target of your type permissions. In this case, I'll be looking at the dashboard definition, so I'll select this from the list. Then you can set the options for each action in this field. You can choose between write, create, read, delete, and navigate. I'll adjust my settings and click Save. This user can now view and move around the dashboards, but not create a new one, edit an existing one, or delete one. Next we'll move on to the actual user accounts of Vision. If I go to the Vision user menu, I can see a list of my users. I can see this list because the account I'm using at the moment is administrative. Regular users will not have access to these options. If I click on Sam, I can view or change their username. I can give them the option to change their password on first logon, assign them a security level, activate or deactivate the option to include lower levels. With this option enabled, a level 5 user would be able to view definitions of levels 0 to 5. With this option disabled, a level 5 user would only be able to view definitions of level 5. You can activate or deactivate the account itself. You can enable the account as a web user, after which you can enter a login and password for the web service. If I enter a valid username and password here, I will be able to view my dashboard via the web viewer. And under the roles list, the roles associated with this user are displayed. We can add a new role by right-clicking and selecting Link. Similarly, I can remove an existing role by right-clicking on it and selecting Unlink. And that's it. You should now have a better understanding of the security settings of Vision.